Kung hinahanap mo pa rin ang insurance na ibabalik sa'yo 100% ng binayad mo, nandito na siya. Nilaunch na nga ang insurance plan na Sun Life Save and Protect. Sa Save and Protect, babayaran mo lang siya in the next 5 years or 10 years at covered ka na in the next 20 years. Sa 20 years, kapag walang nangyari sa'yo at di nakapag-claim, ay ibabalik 100% up to 140% ng binayad mo. May option pa to add health riders for critical illness at hospital income benefit in the next 20 years. Kapag 35 years old and below ka, pwede mong makuha ang plan as low as 23,000 pesos per year or less than 2,000 pesos per month. Pag 36 to 50 years old naman, you can get this as low as 3,500 pesos per month or below. Perfect ito para sa mga clients na gusto ng coverage in the next 20 years at ibabalik 100% ang binayad nila. Ang galing, di ba? Insured ka na at the same time para ka lang din nag-savings in the next 20 years. Kung interested ka to get the Save and Protect plan, leave a comment or send me a message.